Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we review the best products in the market. In today's video, we are comparing two amazing microphones for podcasting, the MAONO USB XLR podcasting dynamic microphone and the Rode NT1. So let's get started and find out which one is best suited for your needs. Both microphones offer high-quality sound, but the MAONO microphone captures vocals with exceptional clarity thanks to its built-in cardioid capsule. On the other hand, the Rode NT1 provides extremely low noise, ensuring that your recordings have minimal interference or hissing sounds. It's a tough competition, but if you're looking for clean and warm vocals, the MAONO microphone is the clear winner. The MAONO microphone has a user-friendly design with switch and volume control buttons on the mic itself. The USB mode also has zero latency monitoring, which ensures no delays in your audio. The Rode NT1 comes with a SM6 combination shock mount pop screen. It has no switch or volume control buttons on the microphone itself, but it does have a sleek design and a touch of elegance. The winner in this category totally depends on your personal preference. The MAONO microphone has a USB XLR dual connection option, providing flexibility and making it easy to switch between devices. The XLR analog output works great with mixers or an audio interface. The Rode NT1, on the other hand, only supports XLR output. If having the option to switch between USB and XLR is crucial for you, the MAONO microphone is the one for you. The MAONO microphone comes with all the essential accessories, including shock mount, pop filter, and 78 inches USB cable, 98 inches XLR cable. Plus, it's an affordable option for those starting out with podcasting with a price tag of $89. The Rode NT1, on the other hand, does not come with a USB cable and its price is comparatively higher at $399. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the MAONO microphone is the perfect choice. Both microphones are great choices for podcasting, and they have their own unique features. Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. I hope this comparison video has helped you decide which microphone is right for you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest product reviews. Thank you for watching.